As Sioux Falls students begin heading back to the classroom, the number of active COVID-19 cases is on the rise, and city leaders are closely watching COVID-19 hospitalizations.
Today, Mayor Paul Tenhaken held his first COVID-19 briefing since May. He told reporters that we aren't out of the woods yet, and we will all need to work together if we want to keep our schools safe. Unlike other cities across the country, Sioux Falls doesn't have any mandated restrictions in place when it comes to coronavirus.
We're one of the very few states and cities that has taken this kind of restriction-free approach, but so far it's worked in Sioux Falls.
The mayor supports wearing a mask, but doesn't want to mandate it.
The data that we have in front of us doesn't justify or warrant a need for a mask mandate. However, does that mean that it couldn't happen in the future? Absolutely not. Very well could.
The mayor says the citizens have acted responsibly in slowing the spread. He pointed to graphs showing there's been an increase in positive cases within the city, but hospitalizations have continued to trend down since May when they peaked.
The younger population, I'll say the 20s, 30s, they maybe have a little bit more bravado is the right term, or a feeling of invincibility with the virus, and so we are seeing a higher infection rate right now in some of those younger populations.
With school starting up, the mayor says we should all be prepared to see more cases.
Because there will be an outbreak in your school, someone will have COVID in your school, a teacher will probably have COVID at some point, and that's okay. We have a lot of people who get coronavirus, very few who end up in the hospital. So we have to be comfortable with that. We have to know that that's going to happen.
Avera Health says it has a surplus of PPE, available beds, and testing kits. But health officials warn that could change as we head into flu season.
I will tell you, frankly, if we see an uptick in COVID numbers and at the same time we see a surge in influenza numbers, yes, our clinics, our hospitals could be overwhelmed.
That's why both Avera and Sanford are urging everyone to get a flu shot this year.
That is something that, while it's not a 100% effective vaccination, it is somewhat effective in eliminating the risk that you would get influenza. And if we could get that out of the equation as COVID is in our community, that would really be helpful to all of us, including us as healthcare providers.
Hey, if you would like to watch the entire Sioux Falls coronavirus briefing, we have posted the news conference on KELOLAND.com. We've also set up a link to the city's COVID-19 website.